Hi everyone, this short video will show you how to access your useful documents that your tutor will upload during the program. So when you log into the Hub, you'll see this page here. You can see your tasks, tutorials, and a tab for useful documents. Click into the tab and any documents your tutor has uploaded will appear here. They might upload a resource they shared in a tutorial, or maybe there's some extra reading they'd like you to do. To download the document, you can click on the icon here, or you can click on the name of the file and that will download for you. You can then open it or you can save it. If you have any questions about the document or you can't find the document you were looking for, please ask your tutor about this. If your tutor uploads any new documents, you'll receive a notification here. Once you have seen it, you can click Mark All as Read so that you will only see any new notifications. I hope that's been helpful. Thank you for listening.